Hi guys, it's Melody Lane. I'm so excited. It's mystery box time. This box is filled with stuff. You get 2 sample rolls of patterned iron-on. Yes, these are so cool. Let me open them up for you. This is the Chantilly sampler. You get that. These are 19 inches long. And that one. And then this one. You can cut out intricate things and full things and just have a little pattern on it instead of solid color. And then this is the blue filigree sampler. I really like this one. This is the Jewel sampler glitter iron-on. Look at those colors. You got purple. Beautiful. Blue. So pretty. These are iron-on. What am I going to use them for? I'm so excited. And green. These are beautiful colors. And iron-on in foil. Let's open this up and look at the colors. It's a sampler pack. Look at the chrome. We have it in chrome color. It must say silver. There's purple. These are 12 by 12 sheets. And pink, like a rose color. And these are iron-on. There's 4 complete sampler rolls of iron-on in this mystery box. And we're not done yet. We have the In Bloom pink sampler. This is removable. Removable can be used on almost anything. The only thing I wouldn't use removable on is glasses I'm going to put in the dishwasher. That's it. Put them on your windows, on your car, anywhere. It sticks. It lasts for at least 3 years. Let me show you what's inside. This one's so pretty. You get 6 12 by 12. You get 2 of each pattern. Isn't that pretty? So you get 2 sheets of that, 2 sheets of that, and then these colors go beautiful together, and 2 sheets of that. So pretty. Cricut, you're amazing. This is a great mystery box. Because there's even more after I show you this one. This one is Anna Griffin Premium Vinyl Charlotte Sampler. You get 6 12 by 12, 2 of each color. Let's open it up before I show you what else is in the box. Okay, you get this one, this black and white one. That's really pretty. You can cut out any shape or letters or a name or animals or anything out of these. And then this is beautiful. You get 2 of these. Isn't that pretty? This mystery box has a lot, and we're not done. You get a 6 by 12 inch Cricut mat. It does not fit in the Explorer machines. It does not fit in the Maker machines. I don't know what you're going to do with it. You could use it as a weeding mat or a cutting mat to use your knife blade on. You could use your knife blade on this mat. And it's sticky. So if you wanted to use it to put things onto weed, you could stick it to the mat and maybe make it easier to weed, possibly. You could sell it to somebody that has the old original personal Cricut machine. It does fit in that machine. So that's it. I don't know why it's here. You can maybe sell it on eBay. Some people may need these because I don't think they're making them anymore. So it could be worth a lot of money or worth nothing. I don't know. But there's more in the box. Marvel paper! Isn't it amazing? There's the back. You can make cards with this. You can make signs with it, with a name on it. Let's open it up and show you the paper. You got 2 sheets of each. So you got that with the little characters on it. Oh, and the other side. They're double-sided. And you got 2 of those. Oh, this is cute. These would be good for scrapbooks. You could make cake toppers. Like you can cut cake toppers out of either craft board or chipboard or something, and then also cut them out of these. So this is the same one. So they could have their name in this. Oh my gosh. Isn't it cute? Oh, in the back. And another one. Oh, this is cute. It's like a wall. Oh, I love the other side too. So fun. It's like buildings. 2 of those. Oh, this is nice. And the back. I love that. And another one. And this one with some trees. And this is cardstock. Oh, that's the same one. You got 2 of those. All right, guys, that's all that's in this box. It is not a subscription box. You have to purchase each one. And then if you use my code, you get 10% off everything you buy and free shipping. To use my code, you have to have $50 in the subtotal. You don't have to spend $50. So it's totally worth it to add a little bit more to your cart so you don't have to pay that $10 shipping charge. Why pay for shipping when you can buy product? Click the link in the description. I do get a small commission from that link when you click that. And I really appreciate it. It also helps with me being able to give out so many of these giveaways I give out every week. Guys, I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.